Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change Porsche Macan wiper blades. First, ensure you have the correct replacement blades for your vehicle. You will also need a soft towel to protect your windshield during the process. Begin by placing the towel on the glass directly beneath the wiper arm. Then, carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into its service position. This prepares the arm for safe blade removal. Now let's remove the old wiper blade. Look closely at the connection point where the blade meets the arm. You will find a small release tab or button. Press this firmly. While holding the tab, slide the old blade downwards or outwards, depending on the design, to detach it from the arm. Always keep a firm grip on the wiper arm to prevent it from accidentally springing back and potentially cracking your windshield. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook or pin on the wiper arm. Gently slide the new blade upwards or inwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click. This sound confirms that the blade is securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it is firmly attached and will not come loose during operation. Once the new blade is installed, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield. Do not let it snap down, as this could damage the glass or the new blade. If you are replacing both blades, repeat these steps for the other side. Finally, turn on your vehicle and activate the wipers with some windshield washer fluid to ensure they operate smoothly and clear the glass effectively.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.